Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mazda 3 Touring Wagon. Oh, Mazda 6 Touring Wagon. Stock reference number 4548. This shape runs from the 11th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a PY 2.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left hand and right hand sides. We have the headlight LED type, right hand side, right hand LED fog light, radiator grille, left hand LED headlight, left hand LED fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Has a small little scratch on the outside cover. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right power door mirror, has a bit of a scuff on the outside edge. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.